Here's something that will blow your mind every single second of every day. Your body is replacing over 300 billion cells. That's more cells than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy.
That's such a fascinating way to think about our bodies. And what really gets me is how precisely orchestrated this whole process is.
You know what's even more incredible? Our skin completely regenerates every 27 days. We're literally walking around in a different skin suit than we had last month.
Well, that explains why skincare needs to be so consistent. But what's happening beneath the surface is even more remarkable, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. Let me tell you about muscle regeneration. When we exercise, we're creating thousands of tiny tears in our muscle fibers. In any other context, that would sound terrible, right? But our bodies interpret this as a signal to build back stronger.
So it's like the body's version of what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, but on a cellular level.
Exactly. And speaking of strength, let's talk about our bones. Most people think they're static structures, but they're actually in this constant state of remodeling. Did you know your entire skeleton gets completely rebuilt every decade?
That's wild. And it makes me think about how crucial movement is for maintaining that process.
Well, here's where it gets really interesting. Our circulatory system plays this massive role in all of this renewal. Think of it like this incredibly sophisticated delivery network. We're producing about 2.4 million new red blood cells every second.
The scale of these numbers is just mind-boggling. How does the body coordinate all of this?
It's like having billions of tiny construction workers who never make a mistake. Each cell knows exactly where to go and what to do. And get this, when we exercise, our blood vessels can dilate up to 5 times their normal size to accommodate increased blood flow.
You know, that reminds me of something fascinating about our brain's adaptability too.
Oh yeah, we used to think the brain was fixed after childhood, but now we know it can generate new neurons throughout our lives. It's called neurogenesis, and exercise is one of the key triggers for it.
So essentially, movement isn't just about maintaining our bodies, it's literally helping create new brain cells.
That's right, and here's what I find most fascinating. All these renewal processes are interconnected. Strong circulation supports cellular renewal, which enables muscle repair, which maintains bone strength, and so on. It's like this incredible biological symphony.
Well, that certainly puts a new perspective on the importance of staying active as we age.
And you know what's really interesting about aging? While these renewal processes do slow down over time, research shows we can significantly influence their efficiency through lifestyle choices. It's like we have some control over the speed of our biological clock.
The human body really is this remarkable self-repairing machine, isn't it?
More like a self-repairing city with trillions of residents all working in perfect harmony. And the more we understand these processes, the better we can support them throughout our lives.